concerned. I'm concerned for the entire sector.
A local addiction treatment provider is worried a change in funding could put their work in jeopardy, and now it's sounding the alarm.
That as Washington and the U.S. are gripped by an opioid epidemic. Take a look at these numbers. Drugs and alcohol killed 379 people in King County last year, according to the Public Health Department. That's an increase from 348 in 2016.
Now, that same report found heroin and opioids were the most common drugs associated with fatal overdoses, involved in 69% of those cases. Now, on the front lines of that fight are treatment centers like Evergreen, which runs 4 different clinics.
King 5's Michael Crow talked to them about their concerns.
Their building in Soto isn't much to look at, but the work done at Evergreen Health Services impacts thousands of lives.
The services that Evergreen provides in particular are desperately needed in these times because we are in the midst of an epidemic.
Which is why Executive Director Molly Carney finds herself hoping for a lifeline because of a looming funding change at the end of the year. The state healthcare authority says that Apple Health or Medicaid is shifting to whole person care. Apple Health managed care plans will start to cover behavioral health treatment services like mental health and substance use disorder treatment, along with physical health services. And King County is slated for the switch at the first of the year. After that, Evergreen says its reimbursement for patients with Medicaid will come through 5 managed care organizations.
Is that we need to be prepared for the time that it takes for us to get paid to shift from once a month to, there will be a gap of somewhere between, we're estimating 3 to 4 months before those payments will start coming into us once those companies take over. And we do not have those kinds of funds available to us.
She says they're already struggling to make ends meet, and this could create statewide problems for Medicaid providers.
With mission-driven nonprofits potentially not making it, I'm very concerned about the impact of that. So if we have, if there are profit-driven organizations that take over this whole sector, then yeah, I'm concerned that there won't be as much service that's delivered. And that concerns me a lot.
Some good news, though. Evergreen says the King County government will assist with funding through 2019, but in 2020, they expect the same issue to arise.
So we need the community to get involved to help us survive and thrive, because at the moment it's being left exclusively in the policymakers' hands. And I think we are past that point. It's not going to be sufficient. We need the community to help us.
Michael Crow, King 5 News.